Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy salad recipe ideal as a filling side dish in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. For the salad, I'm using 2 medium-sized cucumber. I'll be peeling the skin and slicing the cucumber. 2 to 3 sprigs of fresh organic curry leaves which I have chopped finely. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 onion sliced, 1 green chilli finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, 1 tablespoon peanuts for an added crunch. For the salad dressing, into a bowl, I'm adding in 4 to 5 tablespoons of curd. I'm using vegan curd. You can use dairy milk curd instead of vegan curd. I have already shared how to make vegan curd at home. Links will be updated below this video. Add in half teaspoon sea salt, half of the finely chopped curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, and give this all a good mix. Once nicely mixed, keep it aside. Before slicing the cucumber, I like to trim the edges off first and then rub the edge or the blossom end like this. This will prevent any bitterness if there are any in the cucumber. Repeat the same thing with the other side as well. And then with a peeler, I like to peel off the skin and then slice the cucumber. Add the thinly sliced cucumber into a bowl. Add the sliced onion, 1 green chilli finely chopped, add in the dressing and give it a good mix. Transfer to a serving bowl. For an added crunch, I'm sprinkling in 1 tablespoon roasted peanuts, 2 pinches of black salt, also known as kala namak, half teaspoon finely chopped ginger. This is fresh ginger root finely chopped. Lastly, I'm sprinkling in the kept aside finely chopped curry leaves. And my super easy healthy cucumber salad is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy cucumber salad and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.